A tragic loss 7 years ago when Soldier Major Maxwell Mahama was brutally murdered by some residents of Denkyre Obuasi. After a long legal tussle, the Accra High Court yesterday has sentenced 12 people, including the former assemblyman of the area, William Ban, to life imprisonment for their involvement in the killing of late military officer Major Maxwell Mahama, with 2 others acquitted and discharged. Major Mahama was lynched by a mob at Denkyre Obuasi in the Central Region on the 29th of May 2017. The court presided over by Justice Mahama Trial found William Ban guilty of abetment to commit murder and murder, while the 11 others were found guilty of conspiracy to commit murder and murder.
7 years after the gruesome murder of Major Mahama at Denkyre Obuasi in the Central Region, 12 people, including then assemblyman of the area, William Ban, have been found guilty and sentenced to life imprisonment. William Ban was found guilty of abetment to commit murder and murder, with the remaining 11 found guilty of conspiracy to commit murder and murder. Attorney General Godfrey Dame was pleased with the judgment.
Of course, the wheels of justice, as we all know, grind slowly, but today we have seen justice. We satisfied with the conviction of the 12 accused persons. 2 have been acquitted in accordance with due process. Yes, I do not think the Republic will contest the acquittal of those 2 persons. Yes, so we are satisfied with it. Yes. For me, that's actually the most important lesson to be drawn from this. That indeed there is no point at all engaging in mob justice. Because clearly, we have seen a situation where a person who was innocent, was gruesomely murdered under such circumstances. And I believe that the whole nation will learn from it and need to put an end to mob justice in Ghana.
Major Mahama's mother was full of emotions after the verdict.
The murder of my son has been determined, and I am thankful to God for the strength to endure over 6 years of agonizing pain. The twists and turns of events and associated heartache is unspeakable. God knows my plight as a mother whose loving son was snatched away from her.
Major Mahama's father also called on the state to look for the rest of his son's murderers and prosecute them.
Those involved in the killing of Major Maxwell Mahama outnumber even 100. They were vividly captured in a video, and yet we got just 14 standing trial today, and 12 of them have been found guilty and convicted. We thank God. The rest, there are a lot of them out there who all contributed in their various ways to get this young officer killed. And so we leave them to the law to chase up with them, and if not, we leave them to the Almighty God.
The case, which was presided over by Supreme Court Judge Mahama Trial, saw 2 of the accused, Bismarck Donko and Bismarck Abanga, acquitted and discharged. From the court complex in Accra, Kenneth Jesse for Joy News.